Hi, my name's Chris Mack. I've been working in the broadcast industry for about 30 years. I'm absolutely passionate about live TV production. I've worked with companies like BBC, Channel 5, Channel 4, CNN, and back in the mid-80s, I was around the technology that involved big OB trucks and everything was over the top, and if you had multi-camera live work, you're expected to turn up with massive equipment, massive trucks taking up car parks and so on. And I thought at the time, why do we need so much kit to do a lot of this work? Some, yes, you do need, like I've worked in Formula One where you have something like 18 plus cameras. But when you're doing a sort of music event, like a sort of music concert like I'm doing today, there's no need for that. And I really sort of thought very carefully about keeping the essential DNA that you get in an OB situation, but compressing it into a small tight unit that you can just wheel into small space in a venue, backstage, under the stage, and still supply all the basic things that you need to get the job done. What's very exciting about this particular job, I'm going to demonstrate the Canon RCV100. What's really interesting about this unit is that it's only just come out. Canon have just launched it. We're one of the first to actually trial it on a music concert, and this allows you to control C300s and C500s. It also can do other cameras in the range, like you've got XF305s, but the main thing that everyone's looking at for this is the C300s, because I'll show you later, but we've got C300s fully rigged on the stage. They've all got 70 to 200 lenses, 2.8s, very, very nice for shallow depth of field stuff, very good for creative demos, music videos, of course, anything creative that you want to give that film look to a multi-camera rig. And it's up until recently that you've only been able to use them independently as standalone cameras, but now we can use them in a full OB situation, and that's very interesting. Now this is achieved with our Kuta system, which we've devised ourselves. We've designed it ourselves, and the thing that's unique about it is that it doesn't use very expensive fiber technology. With full HD, most people can only run about 50 or 60 meters. We've worked closely with a military electronic company in America, and we've managed to get the actual HD signal, HD SDI signal, to go down the standard multi-core cable, copper multi-core CCU cable, and we've achieved in excess of 100 meters. Okay, we're just about to start filming a live concert, 8-camera, full live broadcast rig. Now the main difference is this is probably one of the first in the UK using C300s in a proper OB broadcast situation. Now when I say full broadcast scenario, I'm talking about being able to activate every sort of parameter you'd expect, like PED levels, gamma levels, iris, exposure, as in you could rack the ISOs up and down, or sensitivity if you like. Now if you look at the rig here, we've got a standard C300. It can go handheld. You've got the usual things. You've got the focus. You've got a 70 to 200, which gives you nice shallow depth of field to get nice close-ups, instrumental stuff, and so on. And then of course the main difference is we have the Kuta back, which works with our exclusive Kuta PPU system, and everything goes down one cable. It's very neatly tucked away here, that's it there. So everything you need just goes down this one cable. That one cable comes to the Kuta back. The Kuta back is V-lock mountable. It provides the power, It provides the comms, it provides audio, so if you want to do some ISO recording, you can feed it the TX audio. You've got time code, you've got, if you look on the side, you've got gen lock, you've got tele, and you can remote control the camera. And it all comes down this one cable. So it's very exciting because it's the first time we can embrace the cinema look, the shallow depth of field, the very high sensitivity of the C300, but in a proper OB scenario. And like I said, there's 8 cameras here, 8 channels, and this is probably one of the first in the UK to use the RVC100 with a proper OB setup.